Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. I have a quick video for you today on how to steam broccoli. I used to think broccoli came frozen in a box. That's all I ever knew how it came. But it actually comes in these beautiful bunches just like this. So these are called the crowns, and I am going to steam these in our big stock pot here. This is a 8-quart stock pot. I have a little bit of water. It's only about an inch deep, and I measured to make sure it's just touching the bottom of this steam basket. So you essentially need a stock pot, a steamer basket. You can get those at the supermarket or Walmart or whatever, and some beautiful broccoli. So here we go. First thing I'm gonna do is take off some of these tough stalks, and I've already rinsed these in the sink. I'm gonna take off those big stalks right there. I'm gonna put this in my steamer basket, just like this. I may not have enough. I may have too much.
Cut the other one another time? Or?
Yeah. I'll just put this many in here. So all I'm gonna do is I have my little burner here on high so that the water will boil. And then I'm going to put in my little steamer basket, just like this. And you wanna make sure that you got enough room to put the lid back on because you want that water to boil and create the steam, and that's just gonna steam the broccoli. And that is as easy as it gets. And you only do it for about 5 minutes or less. Now, let me tell you this part. This is one way to do it. The other way to do it is if you have an Instapot, you can do the exact same thing in your Instapot with the little steamer basket, because that's where that basket came from. And you just do it for like 2 or 3 minutes and then immediately release the steam. Super simple. So I'll come back in a little bit and show you the end result. Let me remind you that we have a cookbook. It's called Cajun Cooking Made Easy, and you can get your copy today on our website at CajunCookingTV.com. All right, y'all, I let it get to a boil, the water, just a little bit of water down in the bottom, and then I actually turned the heat down because I still had to cook pork chops tonight. It's Thursday night pork chop night. So this is steamed about 5 minutes. It was probably done. So then I just kind of took it up, just let it sit there. So I'm just going to dump that out right there. And that is how you steam broccoli. And it is soft where you can just cut through it like this. And that's what you want. Of course, I'm going to put some salt and pepper and some cheese on it for our pork chop. Let me move it out the way. And so that was a simple video on how to steam broccoli. Quick, easy, and delicious. It doesn't have to come out of a box or out of a bag from the freezer. You can cook it fresh yourself. So with that said, I'll put the recipe down in the description below.
It's a wrap.